kesho watakuwa wanachukua data ya all farmers. So we need to support them ili tuweze kuconclude hii exercise even before the end of the month.
Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Wetangula koni moko kuom jood bura nyaka koro lok pachgi ewi tim mar rem yore twak michwale od bura. Okoni moko kuom twak mopedhi samoro ok twagie kaka winjore ni mar seche moko kwan jood bura mayuoro ni piny kendo moko kuom girem chopo mar oyiem mondo twak makamago kik dhi nyime. En wach moselwedo gi jatend jogo manok e od bura Opiyo Wandayi makoni tim makamano osebedo karocho moko kuom twak mageto konyo jopiny. Magine gi wacho romo madhi nyime Mombasa mokelo kanyakla jokombe mag komiti mopogore mag od bura.
In totality, our performance in terms
addressing critical issues like the cost of living in Kenya requires a well-organized and focused legislative agenda in the National Assembly. Collaboration among the National Assembly leadership offices, including the majority and minority leaders, is crucial to effectively marshal this agenda in a bipartisan approach. Our nation faces formidable challenges, but they are not insurmountable. By standing united, we can lessen the burden on Kenyans. That we must avoid the little bits of embarrassments of lacking quorum at the beginning of the House. As leaders, you carry greater responsibility than your ordinary colleagues who don't hold these positions.
This quorum issue is a problem incessantly. Be it Wednesday morning, be it Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday afternoon, and Thursday afternoon.